What is up, guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. In today's video we're going to be installing some taillights, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And then also we're going to be doing an oil change. I don't really remember when the last time I did an oil change was. I'm going to do it and then get a sticker that it comes with the filter, and I'm going to show you guys everything. It does help me out to know when I did an oil change, and then just from there do future maintenance. These are the stock taillights right here. So mine is a 2004, so they didn't have the upgraded taillights. A while back ago I actually got this taillight broken. I don't know how. So there's a little piece of plastic in here. Now here is the new taillight. Notice how it has this nice little concave shape that looks pretty cool. It also has a little bit on this one as well. I do like that it has a button for the trunk. I'm not sure if that'll work. We'll have to check and see. It comes with a strip, an LED strip as a reverse light instead of halogen, so it does look a bit modern. Thomas and I have matching jackets. Lexus, what do you think?
I did get mine first though.
Why do you have to say that? So to remove the taillights, they literally only have 3 screws, and then it's a clip, I believe. The clip is right here, and then there's one screw right here, and there's 2 kind of hidden inside. So you just get a ratchet, 8mm, and pop them off. I finished my side. How did your side come out, Thomas?
I don't know, I just want to see, but I mean, I think we just tighten the bolts down a little more and it'll work.
What the fuck? So all jokes aside, it is done, it's complete, and they look pretty good. It actually makes the car look a little bit nicer, a little more aggressive. I think mainly just because of these reverse lights. There's like a little crack right here and then a tiny one right here. So I did get them for a cheaper price because of that. Button doesn't work. I've tried it. I've pressed it a bunch of times. It doesn't work. So, I mean, it is what it is. I didn't really want the button to work necessarily. I just wanted the upgraded taillights. Oh shit! No! Now you're. The oil that we ended up going with is Pennzoil. This is a full synthetic oil, and it was for like 20 bucks. So might as well go with Pennzoil. I heard pretty good stuff about this Pennzoil actually. What about you, Thomas? What do you think?
I think my tool's covered in oil.
Oh shit! No! Are you okay?
I want to go home.
Also, the filter that we used was a K&N filter. I've been using this for many years. Good stuff with K&N, never had any complaints. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys, on the G35. We installed new taillights, and we also did an oil change on it. I cleaned up the taillights a little more, and now they look a lot better. I like the shine that they have, but I do like the look that they give. The car looks a lot better. What do you think, Thomas?
Should have bought a BMW.
I'll see you guys in the next video on the G35 with Thomas. See you guys next week. Peace.